All right, so here we are back with the 2010 GMC Acadia, looking at replacing some more parts. So the problem is I'm having some vibration in the front, and I already knew because I looked before. It was these bushings, these front control arm bushings, and if you look in there, you can see they're totally shot. There's a separation in there. You can see it inside there. Always make a bunch of noise. This is the back. That is totally shot. Now, I did the other side too. Get them both at the same time. The passenger side was super easy. You literally take that nut off the front, and there's two bolts. There's nuts on the top too. Two nuts on the top. And there's the bolts right there. Two bolts. And you literally just hold those, loosen the nuts, and you just tap this thing forward and it slides right off. It's one of the easiest jobs really ever. Except for this side, in order to get this one off, you have to actually pop these two little plastic pieces out. Pop those up and pop it off. And then what I did is I just tucked it right up under here and let it sit there. And also then you have a little bit more clearance to inside there to get those. So that might help you. So 2010 GMC Acadia, I think it's pretty much the same in these model years, 7 through 14, I think it is, or 7 through 11. I think it's through 14. Yeah, so if you're thinking about doing that, these ones are direct replacement. I think, I don't know, that Doorman or something like that. I don't know, the OE ones. So there's the part number right there. So if you're thinking about doing that, I'll suggest doing it yourself instead of having the garage do it. So I did take the wheel off. So you got to torque the nuts back down on there. Another 140 foot-pounds. So I used 19 millimeter for the two nuts, or the two bolts that are under there, and the nuts are 19. 24 millimeter is for the one that's on the end there, and then the wheel lugs are 22. So really all I used was, I just had this hammer and I just tapped it right off of there after I had that piece, the little flap off there, and it pretty much came right off. So pretty straightforward job. Couple minutes each side, I don't know, 20-30 minutes, and yeah, you can do it yourself. There you go.